अब आप जो बोल लेंगे. You the question. What is the question here? Bucket is known as tub. Tub is known as glass. Glass is known as saucer. Saucer is known as spoon. Then which of the utensil is used to drink water? You have to tell if their names are being changed. Then which of these utensil is used as to drink water? Tell me in the chat box. Tell me in the chat box. No. No, Agdadrika wrong. Some are wrong. Home wrong. Everyone of you are wrong. Everyone's answer is wrong. अच्छा ये किसने दिया? Wait a second, let me check. ये किसने दिया? समर का ठीक है. समर, अब now you are correct. Only Samar is correct. सबका गलत है बेटा. Why are you asking again and again? My is correct. Let me explain you how to do these type of questions. Only Samar and Divyanshu, now Pratishtha. These three students have correctly answered और Pratishtha और Divyanshu ने भी last में किया है. See, it is very easy. They are asking you, just see the last line of the question. What we have to find out? We have to find out which of the utensils used to drink water. Which utensil is used to drink water? Tell me. Which utensil is used to drink water? Can I tell? सबको पता है किस utensil पे पानी पीते हो?
मैम ग्लास.
ग्लास में पानी पीते हो? Glass. Everyone knows we drink water in glass. But glass is known as what? Saucer. Glass is known as saucer. Glass को क्या बोल रहे हैं? Saucer. So the correct option will be saucer. Understood? Understood or not? Okay, ma'am. Now I understood. You have to see what you have to do. You have to just see the last line. You just need to see the last line. What question they are asking? Which utensil is used to water? You know, this glass is used to drink water. You know this very well. So what is glass known as? Glass is known as saucer here. So the correct option will be saucer. Understood? Ma'am, means first we have to see the last line and think the answer of the last line. Yes, beta. Avrika, what you have to see? You have to see what they are asking about. What they are asking about. Do you know? Everyone know the answer which they are asking about. That is a very easy answer. But if you will take glass over here, you will be wrong because glass is not known as glass here. Glass is known as saucer here. आपको कुछ भी नहीं देखना है. पूरा question कुछ भी नहीं देखना है. आपको सिर्फ इतना देखना है जितना आपको need है. You need only the glass. So glass is known as the saucer here. So what will be the correct answer here? Saucer. Let me explain you more questions related to it. Let me give you some more questions. So I'm not writing it whole. I'm just writing is coded as. Is known as bhi aa jayega. Is coded as. If beer is coded as, wait a second. Let me finish the whole question, then I'll show you. See, some codes are given to you, and they're asking which cannot remain alive without water. Okay, so you have to choose the correct option. So choose the correct option. May type the answer in the chat box. Samar, good. Adrika, correct. First Adrika, second Samar. Good. Pratishtha, wrong. Absolutely wrong. Om, correct. Where is rest of the class? Why are you not responding? There are so many students. Why are you not responding? Only Divyanshu, Om, Pratishtha, Samar, and Adrika. Only these much students have answered. That's it. There are others. Wrong, girl. They're wrong. Absolutely wrong, girl. No, Akshat. Wrong.
Ma'am, the answer is crow. Ma'am, because fish is only the animal which cannot live without the water, and here
Your voice is not audible properly. Please explain it again.
ma'am, now it's audible.
Huh?
Ma'am, the answer is crow, ma'am, because fish is only the animal which cannot live without the water, and here fish is known as crow.
Very good. Okay, see everyone. What is the answer here? Who cannot remain alive without water? There is only fish. If you think about the animals, which animal is unable to live without water? Which is the one? Fish. Fish पानी के बिना नहीं रह सकती है. You know that. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows that fish cannot live without water. So you can see what is fish coded as. You have to see only what is fish coded as. Don't think bear is coded as fish. You have to see fish को क्या code किया है. Fish को only this one. Fish is coded as crow. Leave rest of the statements. Fish is coded as crow. So the correct answer is crow here. Got it? Understood? Yes, everyone. This is the question. Check the answer. What will be the answer? Okay, now let me check the answers. What are the answers? Now you can type the answers. Okay, Divyanshu, correct. Samar, correct. Om, correct. Now Pratishtha answer is correct. Good. Okay, everyone, yes, tell me your answers. You have given the correct answer. Very nice. See, beta, as you can see, if you see what is the common word here, if you can check what is the common word here in both of them. What is the common word? Common letter?
Ma'am, L and G.
L and G. L तो नहीं है बेटा.
Ma'am, G.
G बेटा G
Ma'am,
four
G.
first में लिखा है, four last में लिखा है. That means it is sequence wise. They are not jumbled up. If they are not jumbled up, तो L का हो गया 5, O का हो गया 1, N का हो गया hashtag, G का हो गया 4. ऐसे ही we have to write the this role. रोल का हमें लिखना है what will be the this रोल का last R 9 हो जाएगा. R will be 9. R के लिए 9, O के लिए wait like this. Let me do like this. R पे आपने लिखा 9, O पे you will write 1, O पर you will write 1, L पर you will write 5, and E पर you will write 3. So 9153 is the answer. 9153 is the answer. Got it? Got it, everyone? 9153
Yes,
is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can
shall
you
I give
hear
you?
me?
हाँ बेटा. Let me give you one more type of question here.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
If Australia is coded as like this, then how will you code STRAIT straight? What will be the code of straight? What will be the code of straight? If Australia is coded as like this, how will you write straight?
Ma'am, in Australia, after 2, what do you have written?
Percentage sign.
Ma'am, can I send the answer?
Yes. Now, Divyanshu, yes.
Ma'am, first is ma'am hashtag, and then
Hashtag.
2, and then percentage,
per
mark
speech. हाँ
and then
हाँ
what we call ma'am
what what
written ma'am after behind it.
देखो बेटा, let me explain you quickly because meeting is going to be over soon. Australia
Ma'am?
means you have to take out the word straight. All the letters present here are present in word Australia. So we will pick up the letters from here itself. See here, S hashtag T2. STRA we have to take out. STRA is here. STRA is hashtag 2 C. Hashtag 2 ampersand at the rate. Hashtag 2 ampersand at the rate. तो हमारे 4 STRA ही आ गया. I के लिए we have 9. I के लिए we have 9. And for the word T again we have 2. I के लिए हो गया, अब T के लिए there is 2. So this is the correct answer. Understood? Got
Ma'am,
it?
Divyanshu was getting stuck in the at the rate sign.
Acha, this is better at the rate. We use at the rate. No, that's because of it. Okay.
Ma'am, he was
Let's solve
confused
some of
here
the
also.
puzzles now. I think coding and decoding is enough for you. I have really taught a lot of coding and decoding in your class. इतनी तो मैंने किसी भी क्लास में नहीं कराई है. Okay. So see here.
Ma'am, you haven't taught us puzzles.
Yeah, I'm just teaching you few puzzles. But puzzles are easier than this coding and decoding. वो easy होते हैं. Let me take your puzzle. 9, 2,